Welcome. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device through the screen lock pattern. First, try to memorize the pattern that you entered the last time when it worked for you, and try to enter it. And if it doesn't work for you now, then maybe your phone is lagging or some third-party application is blocking access to your phone, and in such case you'll have to turn off your phone by holding down the power and volume up, volume down key for a while. Let me try again. Hold down until your phone fully shuts down. Usually it takes about 10 seconds. Okay, and when your phone is turned off, hold down the power key until the Samsung logo appears, and when it appears, hold down the volume down key and wait until your phone reboots, until your phone boots up into the safe mode. Wait. Okay, and as you can see right now we are in a safe mode, so you can try to enter the screen lock pattern, and if you succeed this time, then you can go to settings here, go to lock screen, screen lock and biometrics, and then select none to disable your screen lock. And after that you'll be able to regain access to your device once you restart the phone. To do that, hold down volume down and power button for a while, select restart, confirm, and wait until your phone is rebooted. Now if this didn't help you and you weren't able to access your device in the safe mode, then in such case the best option for you would be to contact Samsung customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will most likely help you recover the access to your phone without removing any personal information of yours. And if you cannot do that, or if you attempted and didn't succeed to do that, then in such case the only option remaining is to perform a factory reset operation on your phone. Now to do that, you can either use a recovery mode. Now if you don't know how to use a recovery mode or how to manage it, or how to perform a factory reset operation through recovery mode, we have an entire video respectfully titled on our channel, so look up factory reset recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and we'll explain to you everything step by step. So if you need this video, go ahead and check it out. And now the last option that is available for you is to use Find My Device feature. If you have Google or Samsung account connected to your device and you have didn't disable Find My Device feature, then you can either open Samsung services or Google's Find Hub service, log in to the service using your accounts connected to this phone. In case of Google Find Hub, it would be Google account's email, and in case of Samsung Find My Device feature, it will be Samsung account. Now once you access one of these services, you can select your device on the list and then select factory reset in order to perform factory reset operation on your phone. Once the factory reset operation is complete, you'll be able to set up your phone once again and regain access to it. And that's it. I hope that this video helps you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.